What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and this is the last time you're going to see the wheels looking like this, because I'm about to paint the wheels on the S5. I've been contemplating doing this. I didn't want to until I fixed that damage in the front by the driver front, but I was like, I'm not ready to fix that yet, so I might as well get it done. I was, contemplating between gold and bronze. So went to the auto parts store, couldn't find any other color but gold, like either gold or gloss black. I mean, it'd be nice to be all black, but I don't know. I wanted to do all black, but I think gold will look good. I don't know. It might be stupid to some people, but like I said, this damage, this is what makes the car looks ugly. I've been trying to find a way to, well, not find a way, but I need to replace these, either the whole bumper or like fix the bracket underneath here, buy a new bracket. And this fender could be saved. It's just bent in a little bit, as you can see right there. It's like, and then it's scratched. It needs to be painted. And then the door right here, and the hood has a little bit of damage, just right about there. A little paint peel, but and the headlights, of course. Headlights broken. I believe the brackets underneath the headlights is also broken as well. So, and then I need to replace the fog lights, the bulb. Pretty much it. But again, I've been contemplating like painting these, but I don't know. I wanted to do all gloss black, but I'm gonna go with gold. I mean, it'll look stupid when everything else is black, but yeah, I'm gonna go with gold. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the gold. So here we go. Gold it is. Before you start painting your wheels, make sure, if you're not gonna take the wheel off and you're gonna paint it like this, make sure you cover up your brake pads, so that you don't get any paint on there. It's very important that you do that. I'm pretty sure if anybody's watching this video, you already know this, so don't be a dummy. All right, look at that. I kind of got a little bit of those on the tire, and I'm gonna have to use like some type of oil to remove it, but not too bad. Yeah, also it's another thing you should do, put something around there to prevent the paint from getting on the tire. On this side as well. I do need to do like maybe one more coat on this side to like complete it, but yeah. Okay. Alright, as you're painting, make sure you're doing little strokes, not anything heavy. Make sure you shake the paint well. And basically, not in one spot. Don't put too much in one spot, because it's just gonna look ugly. So on this wheel, this is the third coat. So I'm doing about 5 or 6 coat on each wheel, because I only bought 2 cans of paint. And after this dry, you're gonna have to move the car a little bit, because there will be imperfection spot. There will be some spots that are not touched, even if it looks perfect from this angle. Once you move the car, you're gonna see like, hey, damn, I really did miss some spot in there. So switch knees, because man, I'm outside doing this. This is not professionally done, you know, or being done. So also be careful if you don't want to get that stuff on your paint. As for me, I have to fix this quarter anyway. Like the second day I bought the car, well, second day I had the car registered, someone hit me on the side. So keep that in mind. Well, not the accident part, but just, again, don't do this on a windy day, because I am doing it on a windy day, but it's like, you know, I'm against the wind, like I'm not in the direction the wind is blowing, but still, as you can see, you know, so wait for the wind to die down and then continue. And third thing, wear a mask, because you're not supposed to breathe this stuff in. Safety first. Come on. Give yourself between 5 to 10 minutes on each coat, depending on how hot it is outside. As you guys can see, it's pretty hot today, so give it like 5 minutes and then continue on this one. This one is, yeah, I had about 10 minutes on this one. I'm almost out. I'm almost out of paint here. So I gotta be very careful, because I'm not doing this again. It takes a lot of time. So I don't look forward to doing this again. That's why I bought 2 cans. I thought 2 was enough. Again, I might be wrong. Like I said again, once you move the car, you know, once the wheels rotate, then you start to see like the other imperfections, the other spots that you really didn't get. So all right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the big reveal after the paint. Yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. I was gonna go with the bronze. I'm still looking at doing that later, but those center caps, I'm gonna paint them black, because it just don't look right being silver or gray. basically I'm gonna repaint those. Well, I'm gonna paint them black, and then next I'm gonna do the interior, the outer trim here, the window trim. But guys, let me know what y'all think. I think I did an okay job. Like, it's not that bad. Not bad. I need some wheel spacers because these, I don't like the way these tires tucked in like this, man. This is a sports car. Yeah. So, before and after, I also got to do the grill. Those grills are going to be black. I'm thinking about upgrading to the RS style. Front black grills. Once I don't know, man. I'm thinking we're going like aftermarket. I can't even talk straight. Aftermarket bumper, front and rear bumper is what I'm thinking that I would do. But that option is on the table if I still own the car by then. Because again, this is a flip. You know, the car is for sale to whoever wants to buy it. It does have some imperfections, not a perfect, but powertrain wise, it's near perfect. No issues. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I ain't doing no B-rolls. This is the B-roll right here. I usually do like a little B-roll, but no need for a B-roll when you have a walk around, So there you